Headline for this episode is the rebuilding of the Battle of Scarif. So here we go. Battle of Scarif instructions, and I've had this on display. It got destroyed, it got played with, modified, many other things, and so I'm kind of rebuilding this puppy. So don't mind me. I'm going to be trying to do some rebuilding live. Andor is coming up. This bro right here, he is coming soon. I wonder if they'll touch on Jynurso at all, maybe at the end. Oh, that'd be cool if the ending of this series leads to how he needs to go rescue Jynurso. Pretty cool. And then the shoretroopers are amazing. There's those guys. Rumor is that they will be in the new series. So that would be totally rad. Okay, cool. The heck, spider on me. Okay, so now going through the different bags. I did complete out bag 1 looks good. Bag 2 looks good. I'm just missing the computer. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So bag 3 is kind of the fixings around it here. Okay, so I think we're all the way there. Okay, so we've got this. It's a pretty fun mechanism. That right there, so that's kind of partially, I believe that allows for the doors to open. Yeah, because the doors are locked, so you need to blow this and then it swings open. But if this is down, then no go. Doors are closed. Closed for business. Pretty cool little mechanism right there. Okay. Make sure. Okay, so this should connect in just like that. So we've got one shoreline so that tanks can roll in or vehicles can roll in. One thing is I just absolutely love these buildings. So really this is kind of a dream set for me. The only problem with not having these in bins like this. This is so much easier when it's cleared off and you have easy access. Okay. Here we go. Just to find this one piece. And again, I don't know what happened with this. This got played with and then just destroyed and I think partially taken apart. So
I don't know if you're recording, but
yeah.
So you know how I've been waking up in the middle of the night a lot.
Yeah, buddy.
So,
what do you need? You need me to help you?
Mommy told me that if I fall asleep, that she wants like to experiment a little bit and see if I'll fall asleep easier if you're there for like half the night or just like sleeping with me for like until like sleeping with me.
Okay, you just need my help in a little bit?
Yeah, just to like sleep with me like for the night. Mommy just wants to experiment and see if I fall asleep. Because when you usually leave, like an hour later, I usually wake up. But
Oh.
I sleep 3 hours a day. Which is really weird because I haven't been getting so much sleep. So,
Okay, buddy. You just want some help tonight?
yeah. And if
Okay.
I fall asleep for the whole entire night with you, then that means that if I feel more comfortable when I'm sleeping with someone else, which is so weird, but we'll see.
Okay, buddy. Can I finish just a little
Yeah.
bit more and then come up?
No, you can do it for as long as you want until me and Mommy finish our episode.
Oh, okay, cool. Is that like in 20 minutes or something?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Okay.
30. And I'll be
Okay.
down. I'll be down here when I'm.
Okay. Well, I'll come up in a little bit. Okay, there we go. We found the piece. It probably was the right one. There we go. So now we can lock and load, brothers and sisters. There we go. So that's what that looks like. Fully both sides. This is really pretty sweet. These plates get really scratched up. They're shiny, but then they get scratched up. The radar dish. Oh boy, here we go. Okay, my radar dish. There we go. One radar dish. Once I get the right bin, I'm good to go. Looks a little long. Too many bins, bro. Too many bins. Okay, we'll do this one. Okay, that looks better to the picture. Good to go. Okay, so, and then there's a small one here. So here, then a small radar dish. Gray. And then what type? Two dark circulars. Man, my ones bed is going crazy. Alright. I need more circulars is what I need. Eat 6 when your parts are all over the place. Okay, so we got this. Didn't sound good. Okay. So now we got this. Okay, I do remember this. This gets to be a bush. Another one. Getting close. Okay, what's this? The red headlights. And the antenna. Peace. Alright, so now we're fully good to go. Oh my gosh. There we go. This is the panel. Baze has got to pull that. These are all extra parts. Thank you everybody who has stuck with me. This is not an exciting one. It was such a pain in the neck to find parts. But there she is. Stay tuned next week for the review of this puppy. That is really exciting. Should be out on either Tuesday or the following Tuesday. I usually do my reviews on Tuesday. Boy, this is a beautiful set. Such a great display piece. Boom. Broken down for parts at some point. There we go.